Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color or Die. This thrilling game challenges you to navigate a complex maze while a persistent monster hunts you down. Your main objective is to collect different colored paint buckets, which are essential for unlocking new paths and advancing through the game. You'll also need to find various tools and solve puzzles to overcome obstacles and reach the final safe zone. The core mechanic of Color or Die involves using paint buckets strategically. When you hold a paint bucket, you can hide from the monster by standing against a wall of the same color. This makes you temporarily invisible. Be aware that your screen will begin to distort when the monster is nearby, signaling you to find a safe spot quickly. You'll use the paint you collect to open corresponding colored doors, allowing you to explore new sections of the maze. As you explore the maze, you will encounter various tools such as screwdrivers, hammers, and saws. These are crucial for progressing, as they allow you to open vents, break glass, or build bridges to new areas. You'll also need to solve environmental puzzles to acquire new paint colors or other vital items. For instance, a plank might be needed to cross a gap, or a triangle to complete a puzzle, unlocking further paths. To achieve victory in Color or Die, you must collect all 13 paintbrushes hidden throughout the maze. Once you have gathered these, your next goal is to find the elusive white paint bucket. With the white paint in hand, you can unlock the final exit. Navigate your way back to the initial safe zone, where you will then choose one of the final doors to make your escape and successfully complete the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.